If you notice your machine is producing poor quality prints, the waste toner hopper may be full. In this video, we'll cover how to fix this so you can resume your normal printing. We'd recommend wearing gloves to do this and ensuring this is done in a well-ventilated area. Avoid completing these steps over surfaces that could be damaged. We'd recommend covering any surfaces with waste paper. You'll also need a screwdriver to remove the screws and a bin to pour the excess toner powder into. Open the cover where you access the cartridges and ensure the slots are empty. Then, open the back cover where you access your maintenance items. Remove the transfer belt at the back of the machine. This is where the waste hopper is located. Pull out the lever and gently slide this out. To remove the cover for the waste toner bin, remove the metal bar. Then remove the plastic cog. This part is the cover. To remove this, only unscrew the screws that are holding the cover in place. Once this is done, the cover can be removed. Then, remove the parts that are stored inside the unit to prevent any damage when the toner is poured out. Gently tip the transfer belt over a waste bin to remove the toner powder from the unit. Once empty, you can then reinsert the parts that were removed earlier. Ensure the pin that is still attached to the unit is in the middle of the metal bar. You can see here it's too far to one side and will need to be pushed through evenly. This can cause issues with attaching the cog and the cover. The grooves of the plastic cog will slot into the bar. This side needs to be face down and the flat side face up. Insert with this side at the bottom and this side at the top. Place the cover back into the unit and reattach the screws. Reattach the cog and slide the pin back into its slot. This is how it should look before it's reinstalled. Slide the transfer belt back into the machine. Your printer should now be ready to use.